Hey, good afternoon everyone. Actually, it's evening now. Just wanted to say I didn't wake up on Saturday to make a video of this bathroom project because I didn't work on the bathroom project. But now it is Sunday evening and I have a chance to make this video and do a little work in here. We went out of town for the weekend, so I didn't have a chance to work in here. That's my explanation there. I can tell you I got to play a little golf, so that's always fun. Here we go. Back in the bathroom I have 2 layers of texture up on the ceiling here. That's with the joint compound pre-mix. I'm about to do a 3rd coat, and while I do that, I think I'm going to also start texturing that wall, doing the skim coat as well. It just looks like it looks really bad, and I want to fix it. So here we go. I'm not really going to shoot a time lapse of this, but I'll show you the before and after. So see you right now. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and do this wall right here. I'm sure it's hard to see in this video, but whenever it dries you'll be able to see the texture on it. I'll bring in some lights, but just did a quick coating. Still don't know if I'm actually going to sand it down or just leave the texture as is. I just used the 6-inch putty knife to put the pre-mixed joint compound all over, and it seems to work great. I've touched up a little bit on the ceilings, but you can see what it was before here. And it's just got a few streaks through it. Not a super thick layer. We're on a budget here. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for today. So that took me about 1 hour to do that. No problem.